What's up, fuckers? It's MrMotoPete, and I'm chasing. Hey, dog, taking a piss! Is that a fucking Ferrari? Yo guys, I just missed a crash. Are you okay? Are you okay? You okay, bud?
Oh, be careful, it's gas.
Gas?
Gas.
Run! Go back! Go back! Stop! Stop! Gas! Go back! Go back! Gasoline's leaking and it sparks. Go! Fucking gas, guys. I thought I smelt it, and people are dumb as fuck. Y'all are dumb as fuck. I just turned on my GoPro. I didn't even get to record yet.
Really?
Yeah, bro. I saw it all happen right through the trees. Fucking everybody's distracted on their phone with the ambulance and shit. And there's an ambulance and it stops the traffic. And it's just four car crash. 3 or 4. It's 4. Yeah.
It sounded like someone's jumping on top of someone.
Right? People are dumb as fuck, dude.
What?
People are literally dumb as fuck.
Where's the other guy? They're all up there. Dude, his gas tank's up there. They need to clean that up.
You want me to call?
Yeah.
Are you okay, buddy? Where are we at right now? What's this place called?
Avenue and Church Street.
Okay.
You record everything? Huh? I missed it. I just missed it. The brake very fast.
Yeah. Ambulance.
Yeah. Like this smoke, it's gas. I tried to get my phone though.
No, it's not worth it.
Yeah.
Sit down. It's at Manatee Avenue and 1st Street, and there's a 4 vehicle.
The gas.
Okay. No, I just saw
gas tank ruptured.
Okay. You're welcome. Yeah, bye. me off fast. It's like, okay.
Yeah, they already got calls.
Yeah.
It's already dispatched. They're gonna see you soon. Holy shit.
I'm pissed I missed it, dude. I pressed a button, it didn't go on because I turned it on.
Yeah, I was recording either because my it says no SD card. You say they coming?
Yeah. They already sent people. No problem. Holy fuck, guys. I just witnessed a 4-car accident. Holy shit. I literally just turned on my GoPro. I didn't even get to press my button yet. I had my hand on the button and I hear a bang and I look and then another bang, 3 more bangs, fucking 4 cars. Fucking gasoline spewing everywhere. Like, holy fuck. And all that was caused because an ambulance was going through the intersection. People were on their phones and shit, being distracted. And that's what fucking happens.